If you are watching this video while sinking into a soft couch, you are actively wrecking your spine. Now, we're told that rest heals pain, but that's a lie. I'm going to show you 3 common ways that relaxing can actually keep you inflamed and stiff and hurting. My name is John Watkins, and I make health and wellness content like this all the time, and I would love to have you as a new subscriber if you aren't already subscribed. If you like this kind of content, you should definitely subscribe to see more. So this first one that we're going to talk about is called the Marshmallow Trap, and no, it's not a marshmallow trap like this, or like this. No, the marshmallow trap is actually your couch or your chair. See, so we all love big, soft, squishy couches, and they feel like a hug whenever you first sit down. But soft furniture offers zero support. And when you sink in, your pelvis tucks in and under, and your lower back rounds out like a cashew, basically.
Look, Mom, I'm a peanut.
Sure, it feels good for about 5 minutes, but after about 2 to 3 hours of watching movies and shows, you've been stretching your lumbar region to its breaking point. And if you want to fix your back, stop sitting on marshmallows. Sit on something firm that keeps your spine, straight. Habit number 2 that is killing you. It is called the tech neck scroll. So just imagine with me for 1 second that you're lying there in your bed, probably like you are right now, or sitting on your sloppy, flappy couch, and you're wanting to decompress and you're wanting to stare at your phone. But look at your neck. Your head weighs about 12 pounds. But when you tilt it forward to the 45-degree angle to read your phone all night long and watch it, physics turns that 12-pound noggin of yours into 60 pounds of pressure on your cervical spine. So you aren't relaxing. You're asking your neck muscles to hold up what is the equivalent of a bowling ball for 3 hours straight. I just want to take a quick second just to let you know that your head is massive. And I don't know what you're supposed to do to fix that, but I don't know if anybody's told you lately, your head is enormous and you need to just be aware of that. Being aware is the first step to solving the problem. If you have seen this part of this video and you want to let me know that you know that I know that your head is huge, just put big head in the comments, and just, from one very large-headed individual to another, you're massive. Now, back to the video. The number 3 is the sloppy stomach sleeper. So stomach sleeping, basically, it feels cozy, I get it, but unless you have a hole in your mattress where your face is supposed to go, you have to turn your head 90 degrees in order to be able to breathe, right? So imagine grabbing a wet towel and just wringing it out. That's what you're doing to your spine for 8 hours of the night whenever you sleep on your stomach. You don't wake up stiff and uncomfortable because you're getting old, but because you spend all night long twisting your neck. Just let me know in the comments, is this kind of what your night looks like, this little animated deal right here? This is Bill Williams, a disgusting, wretched, nasty man with nothing to his name, no wife, no kids, no family, just an old pizza and a premium Samsung television that you can see right there. He bought that in 2024, and he only watches 2 shows on it, and that is The Daily Show with Jon Stewart and Roseanne reruns every single night. By the way, just really quick, I want to get a feel for like what my audience actually is like or whatever. So Roseanne Barr and Jon Stewart are not the same. They're basically exact opposites. So which one do you watch more of? Let me know in the comments, Roseanne or Jon Stewart. So now that he's watched Jon Stewart and Roseanne for 6 hours, his back is killing him because of this old crap chair. He hobbles his way over to the kitchen and he almost makes it, but oh, what's happening? Oh, Jesus Christ, he's down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, no. Here's something that you may need to fix that game-ending pain. Surprisingly, it's my product from Ron's Balms. It's Ron's Balm. This is a lavender one that we have that is the most popular one that we sell. Here's the best part, though. You can get this balm and all sorts of other great products at ronsbalms.com. And if you join our newsletter, you get 25% off on your entire first order. You also can use discount code YouTube25. Oh, once again. And if you use YouTube25, you will save 25% on your entire order, no matter how big the order is. Just visit ronsbalms.com or click the link in the description to learn more. So now we're on to the most important part, your mission. So your mission is to fix your sitting, fix your sleeping, and then use some balm if you need it to fix some of the pain that you already have. So if you've already fixed your posture and you're sitting and sleeping really well, but you still find that your body hurts and you can't really figure out why, it could be what you're eating. And I made a video right here specifically about the 5 foods that are secretly making your joint pain worse. And honestly, I would love it if you check that video out. If you got value from this video, drop us a like or consider subscribing like I asked before, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one.